In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. When you're ready, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then tap on the icon of it at the top, select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!